So I'm gonna hit record. I'm gonna say introduce myself. Obviously, when I hit record, I did not hit it. I did not set record on my computer. So I'm gonna introduce myself one more time. Sarabjit Sandhu here from sarabjitsandhunetwork.com, and today I'm sharing how to build your audience on Facebook. So right now I'm sharing my story. When I started 3 years ago, I had no clue what online marketing is, what attraction marketing is, and how I'm gonna find leads online. Nothing like that. I had no idea. But right now, because of the best training I am getting, I am totally comfortable as an entrepreneur. I have acquired all the skills needed for the online marketing. And one word I love speaking and talking about and teaching about, that attraction marketing. So right now I'm gonna share my story a little bit more. I am going to show you a couple of my photos, what is going on in my life, how it was before and how it is now. So I'm going to share my screen over here. Um, I'm going to go to my little album, and I'll be sharing a couple of my photos to tell you my story. So this is my latest photo I took last month. Uh, Before I was the photo I took last month, and this is my brand new car over here. I bought it only maybe 35, 40 days ago. This is my brand new car. This is my fourth car over here. Before I was going always with my hubby to buy the cars. This is my fourth car. The three cars I bought with my husband, and right now he was not even here, and I needed to buy the car because my old car was in accident. So I went right away 1 2 3 with my daughter and bought my car because I am totally confident of myself. So I can do anything I want, anything I want to, because as an entrepreneur, I have grown very, very confident of myself, my skills, and I can do anything 1 2 3 right away. So this is not like bragging, but this is like talking about the confidence. And right now, I'm talking about the time freedom. In my business now, I have gotten the time freedom. I can wake up at 5 o'clock and start working, and I can, late nights, even 10, 11, 12, I can keep working. And this is my trip to Chicago. We took in August to meet my daughter and to see her office and everything. And this is my dinner in the downtown with my family. This is my daughter. This is my husband. And over here, we took the trip 2.5 months ago to Belize, and we were snorkeling here. Even though I drowned one time, but it was a fun vacation. Drowning story I will share some other time, but that's a very, very, very good story. And this is the island we were at, Belize. It was such a nice island, such a peaceful island, such a peaceful island that you cannot believe that this type of thing exists. And I only went there because now I have a time freedom. My home business gives me time freedom to travel everywhere, wherever I want to, and forget about the financial freedom. Over here, time freedom is very important to me. Because time freedom, I can travel anywhere, I can go anywhere I want to. This is my photo, 2016 December, Christmas. We were in the Rockefeller Center, where Times Square is in the New York City. This is me over here, my daughter and my son, and my brother-in-law, my sister, our two sons over here, and this is my husband. So in at that time, in 2016, I just started my business at that time, and now it is exactly 1 year. Um, so I'm gonna get out of my photos, and I'm gonna screen share. Uh, I'm gonna screen share when I start the training over here. I'm gonna talk about now. That was my story. My point to share my story was that as an online entrepreneur, I have grown totally confident of myself, my skills. I exactly know who I am, and I exactly know what I am doing and who I'm talking to, and what is my online marketing strategy. And that in the beginning, that was not even there because I did not even know what is online marketing strategies and how what to do on Facebook. So right now, I'm gonna share how to build your audience uh, on Facebook and what you need to do daily. So I'm gonna share my screen here. I'm gonna go to my slides, which I have prepared. Shari, are you able to hear and see everything all right? I'm gonna go back one time and check, and then I'm gonna start. I'm gonna go and see one time in the chat that everything is good. I'm gonna hit chat. Okay, everything seems fine. So right now I'm going to share how to build your audience on Facebook. So these are the nuggets which I'm sharing with you from the live workshop. We were there 8 days ago. I was in Austin, Texas, and these two rock stars, Jen Johnson and Aaron Birch, they gave us all the training. So let's start. Let's get the party started. So how to build your Facebook audience? What do you need to do daily? So every single day when you are on the Facebook, you are supposed to be doing three activities for your success. Build your audience, engage your audience, and sell your audience. Number one, you have to build your audience. And number two, you have to engage with your audience. And the last part is selling to your audience, your product, your opportunity, whatever you have to, whatever you have got. So number one over here is you have to be clear who you are, exactly who you are. And how do you find out how who you are? You have to know what your skills and talents, and you have to know what you are passionate about and what product or service do you sell. I am hearing a lot of noise in the background. I hope it is not with you, Sherry, or it is the software doing all the noise. But I'm gonna continue with the training. And okay, I was talking about be clear on who you are. How do you find out who you are? You have to know what your skills and talents are, and what are you passionate about, and what is your product or service you are selling. You have to be clear on those things. If you are not clear, you cannot attract your tribe. So as the saying goes, you must be clear on your vibe so you can attract your tribe. You have to be very clear on that. So how do you get clear? Understanding who your target audience is. Now you know who you are, right? Now you have to find out who your target audience is. Your target audience, what are they searching for on the Google? All these steps, you have to know who your all these steps. With all these steps listed over here, you have to know who your target audience is. What are they searching on Google? And you can't help your audience if you don't know their struggle, and what is keeping them up at night time. And they need to feel like you're speaking directly to them, because actually you are speaking directly to them. And talk about the struggle and offer the solution. I'll be giving you my tribe journal later on when I finish recording. Then you can jot down all those points on that my tribe journal. That will be really helpful to you. So your audience is basically like you. whatever your pains and struggle are, your audience pains and struggle are same thing. So you have to have a journal and you have to jot down your pains and struggle. Basically that is going to be your audience pain and struggle, and then you can share your pain points with your audience. That way you will be connected with your audience. And your content and your content, when you're sharing your pain and struggle with your audience, that is how your audience is really connected with you. So your audience is lot like you, your journal about your challenges and pain points, so that you can relate and solve them for your audience. So over here, right now, you exactly know who you are and who your audience is. So what is the next step? So now the next step is going to be daily activities to build your audience. Now we are over here, we are clear who am I and who my audience is. Now I have to build the audience. So how do you build the audience? Every day send 10 friend requests. If you can do more than that, that is wonderful, but at least you have to send every day 10 friend requests. Set a goal to add 5 to 10 friends. If you want to do more than that, that is going to be making your audience grow really, really fast. So spend 15 minutes per day following people, and I'll be showing later on how you can go and follow people and how you can make friends with them. So spend 30 minutes to 1 hour per day meeting your new friends. Usually when I am friending people, I set my goal of 1 hour. When I am meeting the new friends, I set 1 hour time, and sometime I go a little bit more on 1 hour if I am doing more than 10 friends. Usually I set 1 hour. So how do you find people to become friends with? Make a list of leaders who hold your dream audience. So like right now I am in network marketing. If somebody is in health and wellness industry, then go find pages who are related to health and wellness, which you admire, you like, and go follow them and watch their audience, watch their posts, how people are engaging. You have to find key leader in your marketplace, in your niche, in your target audience. When you find those leaders, go ahead and follow them, subscribe to their blogs, subscribe to their email list. So what are they talking about, what are their products, so you get acquainted with them. And the leaders, obviously they are successful, right? And we can follow their tips and techniques. So subscribe to their podcast, subscribe to their email list. You do not have to do all 10 of them. You can just pick top three you pick, and then subscribe to their podcast, to their email list, and to their blog. You can read their blog. So even you can subscribe. These days all the blogs have subscribe for the information, so you can even subscribe to the blog. Right away when somebody has posted new post, you will be notified. So you have to do with your top 3 leaders, not all of them. So your tribe is already hanging out at the pages of your leaders. So you have to just go there and hang out with them and engage with them. Your audience is already there. Your target market is already on the Facebook. There are more than 2 billion people. So it's like huge audience. So you can go and engage wherever your target market is. You can go and engage right away. Right now with the Facebook live video, you can engage face to face right away. 1 2 3, like Facebook has made it so simple. So how to find people to become friends with? I already discussed that you have to find top 3 leaders. So find the highly engaging post on your top 3 leaders page, and see how many, maybe there are 200 likes or 1000 likes. Find a post that is highly engaging, and choose people they have commented or reacted, liked, loved or laughed to the post, look at those people. Right now Facebook has before it was like and comment. Now there is love and laugh and a couple of other emojis too. So all those things are there. Follow people who have reacted to the post, like the post, commented the post. If you have any of your comment, if you have to add your value, you comment over there too. So when you comment or provide any value at that post, people they see that you are a leader, you have some value to offer. People are going to follow you or like you or friend you from there. That is one point. But another is when you go to that page, when you look at all those likes and people, I am going to show you how they are going to friend you. Right now this is the post on Eric Worre, and this is Eric Worre's page because I usually go there. So over here you see it's almost 975 likes over here. So all these people, they have either liked it, commented on the post, or you're gonna see tons of comments over there too. So over here you can see top comments and you can see all the comments. So when you click over here, you're gonna see drop down list of all the names who have liked the post. So when you hover over their name over here, then you're gonna see option follow or add friend. Either over here you have to follow them. Go ahead and follow. Some people have not activated their follow button, but if you like to be friend with them, if you want to follow them, like you like their smiling face or something, or you like their timeline, you can message them, hey friend, you did not activate your follow button. If you activate your follow button, you are going to have a lot more business. So that people even like that. I have done that, and people friends you right away. I mean, you don't have to do to everybody. You can say to some people if you want to, but usually people have follow button activated. When you hover over here, you're gonna see follow, and then you can follow them. And once you follow them, everybody goes their profile at their profile and looks like who has followed them. So once they see you, if they like you, they are going to friend you. So this is how you get once you follow somebody on the on your niche market top leaders page, you follow somebody, they are gonna friend you. And in the live workshop we did that. We were following, we did follow for almost one straight non-stop hour, and I grew my audience by almost by 30 because people were sending me friend requests, and I like that very much. That was a real live in the workshop we learned. I did not knew that before, and this technique really works. People go and they friend you. You do not have to chase anybody. I mean, you were on the Facebook, you just followed some people, and people do not mind when you follow them. So in return, they friended you. So now you are friends. Now you know where to find your people, where to find your target market, how to find them, and how to friend them. So the next part is engage. So over here you have built your audience by going on top leaders pages, and if you do that every day, in a month you are going to see your audience grow really fast. So how do you engage with the audience on your timeline? Right now I'm talking about the timeline. If you have a business page, you can use all these tips and techniques on the business page too. On the business page you have an option for the ads. This is how you grow your audience. But if you are new, if you don't want to spend any money, you do not have to do ads at all. Ads is a little bit advanced stage. If you want to grow your audience more faster, then you go for the ads. But for the ads you have to have the right skills and right strategies. Otherwise there is no point in wasting your money over there. So right now I'm talking about your timeline. On your timeline, which kind of posts you can post every day. You can do motivational, inspirational quotes. Everybody likes motivation. Everybody likes inspiration. And I guess everybody likes motivational quotes. I still do them on my timeline, but you do not have to do that every single day. So you have to mix and match. So you can give number two, quick tips on how to. Whatever skills you have learned, you can give quick tips to your audience how to do that. Suppose you have learned how to do say FB Live. So you can give, your tips how to do FB Live like a pro. You can give those tips. Whatever you have learned, go ahead and give the tips and make the post, and you are going to see engagement. And number three is lifestyle post. Lifestyle posts are like very elaborate. In lifestyle post, you can post a lot of things. If you are a, if you have children, you can post your children's activities. What are they doing? You are picking them from school, and whatever whatever you are sharing your time with your children. And you can talk about your family, your family time. When you are doing family time, you can share that. Everybody likes to see family photos, and family photos really get a lot of engagement. And in lifestyle post, I talked is very elaborate. You can do a lot of things: eating, your hobbies. In your hobbies comes whatever you love to do. Whatever you love to do, when you share that, that is like a boom. That is like you are sharing your love with other people, because whatever we love, it comes from our heart. So whatever we are sharing, our hobby, whatever we love to do, we are sharing from our heart. So it gets a really, really good engagement. And you can share your travel posts. If you have a blog, you can share blog posts. I have a blog. I share my blog post right away. When I do blog post, I share it right away. And I have IFTT. That is a app, and that shares automatically too. But I share manually. And for the IFTT, you have to sign up. It's a good app that shares your blog post on your timeline and on your page, on your business page. And number four is you can do I need help. I need help post. Excuse me, I have a little sore throat. I'm going to take a little sip because I have been eating fried these days. So let's get back to our and how you get engagement. So next is I need help. Sometimes everybody we need some kind of help. Sometimes we are lost somewhere, we need techie help, or sometimes we need on Facebook, we don't know something, then we need help, and we think, oh my god, should I post it or not? If you ask for help, everybody is out there very helpful. Sometimes your feet is hurting, or something else is hurting. When you post that kind of post, I need help, everybody runs out to help you, and I love those kind of posts. So you can do next is book suggestion. So right now I am reading a book. I just finished Mike Dillard's Magnetic Sponsoring, and I'm reading it again, and I have ordered another book. I always read a book, and I always go and share. So when you share your book suggestion or your book quotes, it's a really, really makes a really good post too. And events, if you are attending any event, you can share live photos of the event. Suppose like I was attending my network marketing event last week in Austin, Texas. Then I shared my live photos, my live event, and everybody loves that. So number Number 8, I guess, is don't be afraid to promote. So do not be afraid to promote your product or opportunity. You have to keep in mind the 80-20 rule. 80% should be, all those posts which I talked before, and 20% should be your promotional post about your product or opportunity, or what are you trying to show your audience what you are selling. And number 9 is tell a story. We all have stories every single day, either a small one or a big one. So sharing your story makes a really, really good post too. And last one is videos. So videos, either you can make ahead of time, and or you can do live videos. Really, both type of videos get good engagement, because video is a Facebook is a visual platform where people come to see, nice photos and nice faces. Sometimes you just want to look and scroll in the post, what is the next nice post. Sometimes you see somebody smiling, and that is when somebody you see smiling or having good time, that is really uplifting for everybody. I bet it is uplifting for the person who is smiling, but when somebody else sees it, smile creates another smile. So that is really, really uplifting too. So in the videos, if you are making ahead of time, then you can post them on the YouTube too. So over here, now you have got two benefits. The video which you made ahead of time, you posted on the Facebook, and you posted on the YouTube too. On the YouTube, when you have the right strategy, you get a lot of engagement too. I recently did a video on YouTube about Twitter, and it's not even 1 week yet. I'm getting a lot of engagement. So people really, really love videos. Even myself, I love videos, because for reading, I have to wear glasses all the time. But when you are looking something, video or something, you can take your glasses off for a while, and you don't have to read, so you can listen what the other person is saying. I like videos even better than reading too. I like reading too, but I like videos better than reading. I bet people who are in my situation, who have to wear glasses, they do the same thing. So right now I talked about how to build your audience, how to engage your audience. On over here, we are at the last part. Before I'm going to finish today's webinar, I promised I'll be sharing very, very cool tip I have jotted down so that I don't forget. So right now I'm going to do this part first. MLSP $10 trial. I am with MLSP. It's been exactly 1 year, and since I am with them, I have learned all my skills. Now I am learned recently. I was in the workshop. I learned Facebook marketing strategy, exactly what I have to do, exactly how to I have to market myself. So this is the selling part right now. In MLSP, you have all the strategies for all the social medias. You can learn how to do marketing on Instagram, how to do marketing on Facebook, how to do marketing on Twitter, how to do marketing on LinkedIn, and all the social media. I am not on LinkedIn, but I am doing on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. I am mainly concentrating on Facebook, but I have 3 main social medias which I love and I engage, and I post every single day. For posting, I was gonna go into Hootsuite, but I'm not gonna do that. Hootsuite is a good app for posting for free, and for beginners, you can post for free, and later on you can pay for the advanced automation. So right now I was talking about MLSP $10 trial. It is a risk-free trial. If you want to sign up with me, the bonus point will be my yoga video, which I have been doing for the past 10 years. Every single day I do the same exercises, because that gives me tons of energy, tons of upliftment, go through the day. And another bonus is you will be getting my vegan shake and vegan recipes. They are all homemade. I do not purchase anything. I do not purchase any protein or anything. I just make everything from scratch with all the fruits. I will be giving you my recipe. If you sign up, you will be getting with me. You will be getting all those bonuses. And number 3 bonus was I listed over here. Right now I have forgotten number 3 bonus. In a minute I will be reading and telling you that bonus. So right now I know Shari is with me. Shari is already in MLSP. So when people watching replay message me right away, if you are signing with MLSP for 10-day $10 trial, then I'll be giving you free coaching session for half an hour, and plus all my bonuses, and all the training is in MLSP for all the social media. In the back office there is a tons of training. You can just read and apply right away, and all the training comes with PDF. All the PDFs are there. You watch the video, you read the PDF, and you apply the training, and you get the instant results. When I started in September, in the end of September, I started on 5th, I started with $10 trial. And on my 4th day, I got 7 leads, because I set up my funnelizer right away, and I got 7 leads in one day, and I was blown away. And then I signed up for Mastery. So I am here with MLSP 1 year now, and I am getting leads every day now on autopilot. So you will be learning all that. If you have any already primary company already, do not worry. You will learn how to get leads for your primary company. And if you want to make money with MLSP, you have to be affiliate. And once you are Mastery member, you are getting $100 every month. If you bring 1 member, you are getting $100 1 month. Suppose 2 of your friends want to join with you, then your membership is free, because it is $149 per month. So your membership is free, and plus you are making $200 per month. So you can, when I finish the webinar, you can go and download all my slides over here, Sarabjit Sandhu network.com PowerPoint October. I will give you the link. If you are downloading my slides, then the link is already in there. So how are we doing, Shari? Did you I would love your feedback, and if there is anything to improve, I would be definitely doing that. But I still have to share my cool trick with you all, watching even the replay later on, everybody. So my cool trick how to build your audience on the FB Fast is engage, and then post. What do I mean by engage? When you are making friends, engage with them. Engage with them like really they are like real friends. You're not just making them friends just for the sake of friends. Just be really interested in them, really interested what they are doing, what their business is about, what their life is about. Then it makes a real connection. So when you are engaging, talk with them, chat with them, and then you do the live video, or then you post your post. Then people like you right away. They want to hang out with you on your video, and they want to like your posts. So I learned this before with Lisa Torres, and I learned with Jen Johnson and Aaron Birch. And I did that, and I have right now I'm seeing tons of engagement on my timeline, because now I engage. Before I was engaging, but I was not engaging that much. Now I know when I engage, and then I post, then I get tons of like and tons of engagement on my posts and even comments. Before I was getting likes, but I was not getting comments. So right now I'm getting comments, so I go over there and engage again. It's fun. It builds rapport, it builds, opens the door for, business opportunity. You can offer your business opportunity. If you're not talking, then the door is closed. You cannot offer anybody anything. If somebody needs help, you cannot even offer anybody. When sometimes I am following people, I'm looking at their timeline, then I automatically, it was coming out of my mouth, oh, she needs my help, because she has to do her her banner on the top, because I can see on her banner she has nothing. And sometime when I go on their timeline, I see they are posting all their company's name over there. Then I see, oh my god, she needs my help. Then I follow them right away. So sometimes people really do need your help, so you have to think like that, and then you engage, and that opens the door for your business opportunity to offer to other people. So right now, my information about how to build your audience on Facebook, I am done with it. And I'm raise your hand who is starting $10 trial with me. It's risk free. If you don't like, you can get your money back. And when you do start the trial with me, then you are getting all the bonuses plus my half-hour coaching session. Okay, I say 1 hour coaching session for free, and plus you have all the training in the back office with MLSP. So you are all ready to fly if you are signing up with me. So let's get out of here. I'm gonna stop the screen share, and I'm gonna somehow that video option is not on for over here. Shari, if you see for yourself, you can turn the video option on for yourself. If you see on your side, then I guess we can see each other face to face. But right now over here, I am not seeing that option. So thank you for hanging out with me, Sherry. And thank you everyone watching the replay, and go ahead and message me, and let's get you started. And have a happy Monday, and I'll be talking to you soon. So I guess I made myself clear over here, and I'm going to end this meeting today. Bye bye everybody, and see you soon. I'm gonna stop the recording.